Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to change your password on Mastodon app. So if you have forget your Mastodon account password, or if you want to renew it, so now this video will show you how to do it. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, and also please press bell icon for most videos like this. So what you have to do is, first of all, just you have to just click on this Mastodon app to open it, and here you will see setting option. So when you click on setting option, now here you will see many things, many options here. Now here you will see settings options. Now what you have to do is just click on this setting option. Okay, so when you click on setting option, here you will see this will open in a new browser. Now here you have to enter your here you will see your email ID, and after that you have to just enter your current password, and here you have to enter your new password and click on save change. So like this you can just click on the save change. After entering current password, new password and confirm password, you can just click on this save change and your password will be changed. So like this you can change your password on Mastodon app. So if you like this video, please like my video or subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.